What it do, DIY fam? It's your girl in the back with another video.
What it do?
So this video is gonna be about me unboxing. I mean, you see I opened it up. My little Temu order came today. Ordered it on like the 13th or the 16th. Projected delivery date was between the 19th and the 25th. However, they were very informative about what was going on with the package. They let me know that, okay, you know, there's a delay in gathering the items for the package, and then they let me know when they got it and when it was in transit and everything. So got that package today. I'm happy because it's what I've been waiting for. So to tell you the truth, I'm pretty much going to be ordering a lot from them because I just find what they have to be like really crafty and it'll help me get organized. But these are the two things I ordered. I ordered a Doppler and I ordered a, what do you call these? A belly brace. So both of these items are, wow. And yeah, let me tell you out here. So both of these items are important for pregnant women. The belly brace is so that I can have some support on my stomach up when I'm walking around and doing different things, because it be such a struggle sometimes for me. I'm 25 weeks now, so you know, I'm still in my 6th month, so I'm not too far. Well, I am far. I'm not too far away from 9 months, is what I'm saying. And so that's the belly brace. I'm gonna try it on camera for you guys. And this is the Doppler. The Doppler, so let me come up to the camera so you see it. The Doppler is so that I can hear the baby's heartbeat. So I'm really excited about that just because if you've been pregnant before or if you haven't, then it's good to know that when you have an OBGYN at first, I mean, I told you guys I'm 25 weeks, so I'm still getting seen at every month. So every 4 weeks I'm getting seen. 4 weeks, and comment below if you agree with me. It seems like too long to wait to know that everything is okay with baby. But I'm glad that the baby did start kicking, which helps me out a lot. And you know, eases my anxiety. However, this is gonna really do the job. I'm gonna just unwrap these things for you guys. I'm using a different substance besides the jelly that people have, the ultrasound jelly. I'm going to be using aloe vera just because I did my research and it said that let me catch my breath. Shoot. I did my research and it says that the aloe vera gel is similar to the ultrasound gel that they be using. It's thick enough so I'll be able to, you know, zone in on the baby's activity in the belly. So that's that, but I will unbox it. I'm going to unbox the belly unbag, technically. The belly bag first. So this is the package you come in. I got an extra large. I hope it fits. The reason I got that size, I didn't even, this is how it's supposed to go. I'm going for this one. Yeah, I got an extra large. I hope it fits. The reason I got that size, even though I didn't, you know, measure myself, it actually says an XXL. I felt like all my clothes were getting small and I was wearing that much, especially when it came to Temu size. So I was like, why not? So let's see. Step 1. Inner support belt placed under your abdomen and fix. Inner support belt. For the picture, it looks like it's this. Inner support belt placed under your abdomen and fix. So let's see. Place on the abdomen and fix. And plus I'll be growing in size in the next few months. So I was like, let me not get nothing too tight to the point where it's uncomfortable. Got a little hang time there. Let's see if we gotta work that out on how will it. Alright, number 2. Subject to the dotted lines in case Encase half the belly and adjust to prime up abdomen. As is shown, this is step 3. Climb up, stay laced to the biggest part of your hip. Step 4, as shown, climb up the belly band to the below of inner support belt. Adjust the suitable position. Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Oh, that's okay. Okay. You get me somewhere. I'm starting to feel the support. Okay. Now see that all that support. Alright, and the last piece goes like these. Wait, where's the other? Like these. Aha. Now where that baby going now? Nowhere. There we go. Okay, it fits. So the XXL fits. I don't know if I should be proud to say it, but it does. And it actually adds some support. Okay, I love it. I love it. I'll have to put the prices on here once I go back and look, but it'll be somewhere on the screen where I put the price at. I'm gonna leave this on for now because I feel so much secure when I get up out of bed or when I'm doing something. I actually have to hold it up, or you know, my love bug, my boyfriend, he holds it up for me. So yeah, let's say let's go sometime. So that's the first purchase, and he's been trying to get this for me since I was like 4 months, but I'm like, no, I don't need it. Yes, I did. All right, so the Fetal Doppler, that's what it's called. The total name, the full name is the Fetal Doppler. Like I said, we'll be using it on a different video, but right now I'm just gonna show you the unboxing. So here it is. It was nice, wasn't damaged. Comes with a manual. And here's the Doppler itself. Look up online, look. Internet cool. So yeah, here's the probe thingy, you know, where you take the gel and you do like this, and this piece will go in here inside the jack like that, and it'll cut on, and you know, and I think this, and it actually does, it takes AA batteries. So it takes AA batteries. But I heard these work really good. Amazon charges like between 60, I'll say 40, but I don't believe it. Between $60 to $90 for Dopplers, probably 100 even. And this one, I know the price of this one because I was so go-ho on getting it. This one was $15 or less. But like I said, I'll put the prices next to the items. And if you guys want to see how this worked for me, go ahead and stay tuned because they'll do a video. I'm probably going to drop them in the same day just because it makes sense to do so. But y'all, I'm really excited because I recently had my my other doctor appointment and I don't go back until like 28, 29 weeks. I'm like, bro, no, I need it. It's okay all the time. But you know, I also put the links from the Temu site of the items that I got because You know, sometimes we be scared to order stuff that's cheaper. And it don't mean that it's made out of cheap material all the time, but sometimes it depends on where they get it, where they export it from. Because Amazon tax sometimes. I ain't gonna take nothing away from Amazon because they got Prime, you know. Prime, it would have been here. If I ordered on 13th, it would have been here on the 16th, the latest. But that's besides the point. If you want to save some money, I'll put the links down below. This was really good quality. I really like it. Let me get a little up close. Don't mind my rolls. Yeah. And this, I saw other people review it, like on different things, like the We Mom app that I told you guys about before. They said that they have the Amazon Doppler and they also have the Temu. However, the Temu seems to work better. So, yeah, we're gonna see. Stay tuned. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And put your comments down below, any questions, whatever. And thanks for watching.